Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can send money on Venmo. So I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, you need to log in into your Venmo account using your email address and your password. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page, and on the home page you can see right on top there is an icon or the dollar icon located in the top right corner. You need to click on it, and as you click on it, next interface you need to enter the recipient address, and in case if you're unable to find the recipient address, then you can simply select it from the suggestion as well. And after that, once you're done entering the recipient address, next interface you need to enter the amount that you want to send, and once you're done entering the amount, tap on confirm. And once again, for the confirmation, you need to double check all of the information provided, and if you're sure about it, tap on confirm, and then you'll be notified that the transaction has been completed. And that is how you can send money on your Venmo. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.